Here are the fast 5 animals that are way louder than they look. 1. Howler monkeys, small body, stadium sound system. You can hear them 3 miles away. 2. Pistol shrimp, snaps its claw so loud it creates a tiny sonic boom underwater, volume more than size. 3. Cicadas, the males hit 100 plus decibels, louder than motorcycles, all for a date. 4. Blue whales, their calls can travel hundreds of miles, the original long-distance relationship. 5. Lions, a roar reaches 5 miles, basically nature's PA system. Never underestimate anything small, bored, or hungry.